If your Honda CR-V won't start even after a jump, the problem isn't just a dead battery, it's likely one of these 5 things. Believe it or not, over a third of jump start failures are caused simply by poor cable connections or corroded terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify why that engine isn't turning over. Before grabbing tools, verify your cable contact and ensure the car is fully in park to rule out safety switch issues. If you accidentally cross the jump cables, check the main fuse box first, as it likely sacrificed itself to save the ECU. Watch your dashboard for a flashing green key icon, which indicates an immobilizer error preventing the fuel system from priming. If the dash stays dark even with cables attached, you likely have a primary power connection or fuse failure. While a fuse is a $20 fix, a failed starter or alternator on a CR-V can quickly climb toward $500. If you hear a single click, try tapping the starter motor with a wrench while someone turns the key to bypass a stuck solenoid. Keep a basic multimeter and a wire brush handy to ensure your electrical path is clean and carrying full voltage. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before you start poking around the starter or fuse box. If these steps didn't get you moving, it's time for a professional diagnostic scan. Thanks for watching.